You know what we'll do? What we're going to store, let's say we want to store something, right? Like I want to store your name, okay? So I want to say that this is like Ruth. So I wrapped it in quotes because it's text.
Yes.
Right? But if I want to say, like, you know, I might forget the name if this is like a customer or something like that. So sometimes we want to attach a label to this.
Okay.
And it's just like saving it, like we save, you know, our work here, you know, saying this is about variables.
Okay.
All right? So it's just a label. So I'm just going to call this thing first name.
Oh, but you put equal.
Exactly. Because what I'm saying is, hey, whenever I want to store this data, this is right, a data type, it's a type of data. So I want to store this data in this box, essentially.
Okay.
Right? Like I think of it like a mailbox with a label on it.
Okay.
Okay? And the label here is first name. And once I press shift return here, then it has stored it as first name. One thing that's kind of confusing is that you don't actually see any output below here. So if I want to check that this worked,
yes.
What do you think I have to do?
Press the arrow.
Well, no. What you want to see is, right, we just stored this data.
Shift return.
No. What we just did was we stored this data.
Right.
In this mailbox with a label on it.
Yes.
So now what we want to do is like open up the mailbox and see what's inside.
Okay.
So
I don't know what.
So
I gave you my two options. That's it. What's the third option?
We'll type in the word. All right, I'll type in the word first name.
Oh.
Because this is called a variable. So we just assigned a variable. You're not typing.
I'm not typing?
Click in the cell first.
Oh.
There you go.
FIR first space.
Oops.
What?
So.
What? Oh, I have to put that?
Yeah. Because in Python and really in all programming languages, you know, if we have one variable, it has to be continuous text.
Oh.
So you need to hold down shift.
First.
There you go. And you see this?
Yeah, it popped up.
Press enter. Press return.
Press return.
There you go.
Okay.
Now it kind of auto completed this for you.
Correct.
But you did not actually execute the cell.
No, I didn't.
So
equal.
You're trying to open up the mailbox. You want to get back.
Return.
Shift return to execute every line of code.
Shift return. Got it.
All right.
Okay. So in certain mailboxes, we got to find the right letter, and the letter is Ruth. Got it.
Yeah, right. So exactly. So we want to. I like to think of it as like we want to go to this mailbox that has first name on it.
Mm-hmm.
When we open up the mailbox, we find the data inside.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. Got it. This is a variable?
This is a variable. So a variable is just a way that we can store data. Okay?
Okay.
So if we want to do, address, right? So our address equals 41. Right? This might be something we would forget.
Right.
Right? So right now, I'm assigning 41 to equal, or I should say I'm assigning the variable address to point to the data 41. So whenever I type in address, we're going to essentially open up that mailbox and see what's inside. And what's inside is 41.